Welcome back, Fly Vegan fam. Today we're making barbecue tempeh.
Alright, we got tempeh in the house.
Okay guys, so we're going to start by removing the tempeh from the package.
That stuff is packed tight.
To prepare the tempeh, all you have to do is slice it. After I slice this up, I'm going to prepare a broth for the tempeh to simmer in. The recipe calls for no chicken broth and Bragg's liquid aminos. Bring the broth to a boil, then add in your tempeh, making sure they're totally covered. The tempeh needs to cook for at least 30 minutes in order to remove the bitterness. Once you get all your tempeh in the pan, you need to reduce your heat to a low simmer.
That was the longest 30 minutes ever.
Now just remove your tempeh and add barbecue sauce to both sides. I use the 365 original barbecue sauce. Once both sides are covered, just add them to the grill.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I know, I want you.
I cooked these for about 10 minutes and then I added more sauce to each side. And there you have it, Revolution in Bloom's barbecue tempeh.
She has a channel full of vegan recipes.
You guys make sure you go check her out.
Let her know you're from the Fly Vegan family.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe. Good.